This is a complete heating, air conditioning, ventilation, indoor air quality, HEPA, and humidification system. This is a geothermal heating and cooling system. What you see here, although, is a Venmeyer HEPA air filtration / ventilation system for this home. It has HEPA filtration and the process of air exchange built into one unit. What you see here is our Aprilaire digital illuminated humidifier control for the house. This controls all the humidity coming in from the return airstream from the home. This is our geothermal heat pump, high efficiency geothermal heat pump. This has a COP on average of 3.5, which is 350% efficient, and is up to 400% efficient. This is our ducting going to the air exchanger. Everything is insulated in our ducting to prevent condensation from the outdoor air. What you see here is our special custom Aprilaire STEAM humidifier. This produces 100% steam through the tubular hose up into our supply air duct. There's no water pad, no bacteria, no mold that can form or concentrate on any material or component within this unit. Very efficient. This is a steam humidifier. There is no pad, no water pad, no maintenance whatsoever during its operation. What you see here is our Honeywell zone panel. We have up to 12 air dampers in this home. They are all synchronized to work with each of the two thermostats, and when independent, they will work on their own. Our controls are 75 VA transformer that controls all the damper automation and the zone panel. We have completed an entire whole house air comfort package. This includes the air exchanger. This includes the geothermal heat pump, the steam humidifier. There is no wastewater that comes out of this humidifier during operation like an average bypass or your normal water pad type humidifier on the market. Geothermal heat pump means it uses water as a medium to produce heat from the ground, incoming and outgoing. There is no air conditioner outside this house. There is no air conditioning unit outside this home. This heat pump does all of the heating and all of the cooling in one nice, ultra quiet package. This also has an ECM DC variable speed motor within the unit that was installed with this heat pump, with a savings of over 75% on its electrical consumption when operating. This fan runs 24 hours a day to provide even temperature throughout the home and consistent ventilation with impeccable air filtration.